Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with my brand new Motorola G85 Android phone. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to enable the double tap to put the display to sleep feature. Okay, so you can actually double tap on the home screen to put the display to sleep. And you can also double tap again to wake it up. And this works on the home screen and also the lock screen. But first of all, you will need to turn it on. You'll need to turn that feature on. So I'm going to take you through the steps on how to turn it on. So just follow what I'm about to do. Just simply pull down the notification panel twice, then go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says home and lock screen, and then select lock screen. Then scroll down to the bottom here, you will see put the display to sleep. Go ahead and select it. Here you get a little demonstration of how it works. So put the display to sleep. Double tap to put the display to sleep when you are on the home screen or lock screen. So go ahead and turn it on. And now it's all set up. So let's go ahead and try it out. So I'm on the home screen now. So let's double tap to put the display to sleep. As you can see, the display has now gone to sleep. And if I double tap again, it wakes up. Okay, let me just put my password in real quick and just demonstrate it one more time. So double tap, it's gone to sleep, double tap again, and the display wakes up. And if I double tap again, can put the lock screen to sleep. If I double tap again, it wakes up. So yeah, I thought I'd share this video with you all. If you like this video, you already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and also share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out. Doses.